Have you ever felt like the prosperity and financial security you seek is somehow always out of reach? Have you ever wondered how you're supposed to get ahead financially when there's a trade war or a real war, when inflation and recession are both threatening your nest egg from both sides? Maybe you've thought about investing, maybe even trading, but maybe something held you back. The fear of a market crash, the fear of losing money, or maybe you just didn't know where to start. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Wall Street has been lying to you, and it's been costing you dearly. You've probably heard the myth that 10% per annum return is a fantastic return. You've probably been told slow and steady wins the race. But what if that's the biggest lie keeping you stuck? My vision is to help everyday people live more joyful, inspired lives by relieving the financial stress that weighs so many of us down. And my mission is to revolutionize how finance is taught by shattering the myths Wall Street has peddled for decades to keep people dependent, passive, and disempowered. Because here's what the data shows. Most investors are working with a framework that was designed for a different era. What I teach is a different approach, one focused on understanding how markets actually move and how to position yourself on the right side of them. But first, let me share with you the moment everything changed for me. It was 2007. I was head of the markets desk at Goldman Sachs. Lovely house in North Bondi, black convertible BMW. I thought I was hot stuff. Then came 2008. The global financial crisis hit like a wrecking ball. I was running the desk, working 16-hour days on a trading floor that felt like a war zone. The phone never stopped ringing. Everyone was panicking. And you know what? I was still drinking the Wall Street Kool-Aid. I believed the strategists and analysts who swore the bottom is in, and I kept buying the market all the way down. The S&P 500 dropped 50%, and I lost well over half my net worth. Now, if I'd known then what I know now, what I'm going to share with you, I could have retired comfortably at age 36. But instead, it took losing a seven-figure fortune to wake me up. A few months later, I was having a beer on a warm Sydney evening with a colleague, a proprietary trader at Goldman. And I told him about my disastrous year in 2008, expecting a sympathetically dismal response from him. Instead, he said, "Simon, 2008 was my most profitable year ever." Now, that hit me like a thunderclap. While I was busy losing everything, someone else was thriving. Same market, same strategy, very different outcome. It was in that moment I realized something painful. I wasn't as good as I thought I was. I didn't know what I didn't know, but I wanted to know. I needed to know. So I began to study. I threw out everything I thought I knew and I just began to observe with a fresh pair of eyes. To test. Every night after work, I sat at my Bloomberg terminal, developing a system that could work in any market condition, rising, falling, or sideways. Eventually, I developed a strategy, and then a methodology, and ultimately, a complete system for wealth creation. I call it the Tao of Trading. In 2020, when COVID hit and markets were in free fall, the system I'd spent years building worked exactly as designed. Not because I got lucky, but because I had a process, a framework that told me what to do regardless of what the market was doing. Today, I want to share with you the three key principles that underpin the Tao of Trading. These are the same principles I teach in my best-selling book, and they're the reason people from all over the world, from all walks of life, have been able to grow wealth with confidence regardless of market conditions. The first principle, profit in any market. Learn to generate consistent income in both rising and falling markets. You'll never fear a bear market or recession again. Principle 2, manage risk like a pro. Avoid the catastrophic losses that destroy accounts. My approach prioritizes protecting capital first, because the traders who last are the ones who know how to stay in the game. Principle 3, master the trader's mindset. Adopt the psychology of consistent winners, resilience, patience, and consistency, and ditch the stress and second guessing. Trade wars, real wars, inflation, recession, it's never been more important than right now to take control of your financial future. By the way, If you're ready to stop outsourcing your financial destiny, join my free live workshop on Thursday, 26th of March 2026, and learn the wealth building skill AI can't replace. You don't need to be a Wall Street insider. You don't need to predict the future. You don't need to settle for 10% per year. You just need the right system, one that works, one that's been tested, and one that I've spent the last 15 years mastering, so you don't have to. Let's do this. Click below and register today.